Hi, my name is Luke Godfrey, and I study digital film and video production at F.I.R.S.T Institute. I first started feeling like I was getting into video and film production back in high school. It was my first time working in Final Cut Pro. That was the first video editing program I'd ever experienced, and I just fell in love with it. I loved how you could edit and manipulate things to appear exactly how you wanted it to. It was a very satisfying feeling, and from then on I knew that's what I wanted to do. I took a couple college courses at a local community college, and I was just sort of sitting there shaking my head like I already know a lot of this stuff. One day, I was sitting in a graphics class, and I was just looking up film schools. One of the first ones that came up was F.I.R.S.T. I'm originally from Grand Rapids, Michigan area. The school seemed perfect for me, so I figured, hey, I'll take a cross-country trip to come down here and get my education. It was definitely a major moment in my life. So on the first day of school, I met this group and we instantly hit it off, and they invited me over to their apartment that night, and we had a super fun night, and we've been friends ever since. I think that's the biggest takeaway from this program is all of the networking and the connections that I've made, because that's really what's going to get you a job in the real world. Going back to Michigan, I definitely feel like I have a rough sketch of what my future looks like. I'm gonna start out doing wedding videography and then just trying to get my name out there, essentially. I feel a lot more prepared than I would have been, I think, going to a different college. I'm very grateful that a lot of the real-world applications were being taught in career development, versus, other schools where you just bury your head in a book and you don't know what the outside world is like. I think what makes me different from most is my work ethic. I would definitely describe myself as passionate about my work. I genuinely enjoy what I do, and if I only make a little bit of money off of it, just barely enough to live, I'll live a happy life, honestly.